Not long ago, the Stanley Quencher was just another water bottle sitting on Amazon with no traction. Then a group of influencers started showing it off on TikTok, and suddenly it went viral. Sales skyrocketed, shelves sold out everywhere, and Stanley went from struggling with declining revenue to building a billion-dollar brand revival, all because one product hit at the right time. This kind of success is not limited to big brands anymore. Anybody with an internet connection and a way to sell online can hit this kind of success in 2026, just as long as you know how to spot hot products before they blow up. In this video, I'm gonna break down the signals so that you can recognize winning products before they actually go viral, so that you can find your version of the Stanley Cup before it blows up. I'll also give you 3 niches with products that you can start selling today. Plus, I'll show you a repeatable process to continue finding trending products in the future. So, what's the first step to building a successful e-commerce brand? Pick a niche. You don't want to build a brand around a specific product. Instead, pick what you want your brand to do, what you care about, then find products that align with that mission. To help you get started, I'm going to cover 3 different niches in this video and a couple products that fit into each niche. And of course, the most important thing that I'm going to share with you today is the signals to watch when you're selecting these products. With that, let's dive in. First, let's talk about a huge niche right now, which is multifunctional beauty products. More and more, people are looking for efficiency, convenience, and skincare benefits within their makeup products. Products like peptide-infused foundation, which acts as a foundation with anti-aging benefits, are emblematic of this shift. Sales of hybrid beauty products are increasing yearly, particularly for Gen Z and millennials. These people are more likely to look for skincare-infused cosmetics. Brands like Ilia and Tower 28 have built strong followings with formulations like peptides, SPF, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide. As these lines blur between skincare and cosmetics, multifunctional products is becoming the expectation, not just a bonus. The other day, my wife, who's very diligent about her daily sunscreen, was super excited to show me this mineral peptide stick with SPF 50. I don't think she would have showed me that if it wasn't this combination of skincare and cosmetics. Now let's talk about a perfect product for this niche, which is the Panthenol Moisturizer. It's formulated with panthenol, a provitamin of B5 that's widely recognized for its powerful hydrating, soothing, and repairing properties. When applied to the skin, it converts into pantothenic acid, which deeply penetrates the skin layers to lock in moisture and support the skin's natural healing process. In general, you're going to want to pick a product that hits all of these 7 signals: search volume, search growth, monthly revenue, review sentiment, overall price, seasonality, and of course, scientific backing. So I found Panthenol Moisturizer inside Exploding Topics. Now let's run it through these 7 signals. First up is search volume, which is how many searches this one has every month across various platforms, not just Google. This one has a super low search volume, meaning that people haven't really caught on yet. You don't really want to start with a product that has a search volume above 100K. That usually means that it's headed towards the mainstream. Next is search growth. For search growth, we want those high spikes, those hockey stick growth charts, and this one has really strong and consistent growth. For monthly revenue, this one's already making over $250,000 every single month, so it has a super strong standing. For a new brand, I wouldn't really look for anything that's making more than $300,000 a month. You're going to be competing with some bigger brands. Next, review sentiment. I wouldn't really be looking for anything under 4 out of 5 stars. That usually signals some trouble, which can mean a trend is about to fall off. Anything over 4 is solid. Now the price point is under 30, which is perfect for an impulse purchase. That also means that people don't need to see your ads as many times before they're ready to buy, which means that you save a lot of money on your marketing. Next is seasonality. This one isn't more frequently purchased in certain months, so the seasonality is low, which is exactly what we want. You want your sales to be consistent year-round. And last, scientific backing. If you take a look at Panthenol, you'll see that studies show that the 1% and 5% Panthenol creams significantly reduce transepidermal water loss. So if you're looking to sell beauty products in 2026, make sure that they tick all of these boxes. I'll also put a link to our free tool in the description below that you can use to find more trending products totally free. Next, let's talk about a huge niche that's blowing up right now, which is AI tech gadgets. This includes things like AI-enhanced wearables, smart home devices, personal assistants, even AI-powered toys. It also means AI features in everyday normal gadgets and appliances, like real-time translation earbuds, fitness wearables with emotion recognition, AI dash cams, so many more. All of these are becoming the standard. I can't tell you how quickly I would have bought translation earbuds if they were available at the time that I moved here to Portugal. So let's take a look at a product within this niche and analyze it. The AI necklace. It's a wearable smart device in the form of a necklace embedded with AI tech. It can act as a personal digital assistant, offering features like voice interaction, real-time translation, health tracking, environmental awareness, even memory assistance. So, let's run it through our 7 signals. For search volume, it's pretty low at 880 per month. When you're looking at search volume, there's no such thing as too low, but it's important to take a look at all the other signals and look at the picture as a whole rather than just deciding on one of these signals. For search growth, is it more than 500% in the past 5 years? With this one, it is the case. That's around 3,000%, meaning this growth has been steady. For monthly revenue, this one clocks in around 80K per month. So we've got a solid revenue that indicates this product is making money, but it's not mainstream yet, which is perfect. For review sentiment, this one sits around 4.4 stars, which is a good average. For the overall price, this one is a little bit higher than the aforementioned impulse purchase price point, but it's not too much at around 44 bucks. But since it's an AI-infused tech product, that price actually looks very low comparatively. So always think about this product in relation to others in the same space. For seasonality, a necklace, AI or not, is something that you wear year-round, so you really don't need to worry about this one. It's meant to be worn every day to improve your daily life. Scientific backing is not really something we need here. I would say more of the proof that it actually works. Some of the first ones that were released have some negative reviews, so keep watching this one because I am predicting that this is going to blow up with new models in 2026. Next, we're talking about a niche that is completely changing up people's daily routines: next-gen supplements. You've got liposomal delivery systems, nootropics, adaptogens like ashwagandha and lion's mane, which help with everything from mental clarity, stress resilience, even cognitive performance. Biohacking communities and longevity-focused consumers are pushing this growth. They're looking for supplements that promise cellular repair, anti-aging, enhanced metabolism, and platforms like Routine are capitalizing on this subscription model. Consumers are expecting outcome-based wellness. They want results. Brands that are scientifically backed, hyper-personalized, that's how you really get ahead. So let's take a look at a trending product that fits the bill, which is Liquid Carnitine 3000. It's a high-potency L-carnitine supplement in a liquid form that's a naturally occurring amino acid derivative designed to play a critical role in metabolizing fat into energy. So it's designed for athletes, bodybuilders, weight-conscious consumers, people looking to improve energy output, endurance, and fat-burning potential without stimulants. So let's run it through our 7 signals. For search volume, at nearly 15,000 searches per month, it's still too low to be considered mainstream, meaning it's not past this trend cycle yet. It's perfect for you to jump in on this one right now. For search growth, anything over 100% growth per year is what you want, and look at that growth chart, that perfect hockey stick shape we want. For monthly revenue, it's clocking in at around $47,000 a month. And of course, when you're looking at monthly revenue, you want to strike this balance. These signals are all interconnected. So if the monthly revenue is too high, think over 500,000, it's likely a mainstream product. And that's also going to be reflected in the search volume. By that point, you're going to have a lot of competition. So you want something with a lower search volume, high search growth, and a solid monthly revenue between 20K, 100K a month. For reviews, this one's got a very solid 4.4, which is a great sign. The overall price is ideal, around 30 bucks, so it's perfect for an impulse buy, and it's also great for recurring purchases, and that's how you want to think about supplements. This is something that somebody's going to be buying every month, every few months, so make sure that the price point is reasonable for that expectation. For seasonality, this one's actually labeled as medium, presumably because it helps with weight loss, which usually sees a spike before the summer months. But you're also marketing this one to athletes, bodybuilders, people who are working on their bodies year-round. As for scientific backing, a meta-analysis study showed that L-carnitine supplementation provides a modest reducing effect on body weight, BMI, and fat mass, especially among adults with overweight or obesity traits. It's really important to look at the scientific backing on supplement products because so many people are selling snake oil, and if you want your brand to succeed in the long run beyond the first batch of sales, you gotta tick that box. Now that's all for today. If this video is what you were looking for, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make more. Also, if you have any niche and you'd like a trending product corresponding to that niche, drop it below and I'll give you a trending product totally free. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.